Lot 129 is a 2003 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger bus. This bus has a straight body. The paint looks good. The tires look good. The motor sounds good. Let me show you. As you can see, the body is straight. I'm gonna walk you around. Paint faded where the lights are at, the black portion of it, but the yellow looks pretty good. Tires look very good. In the front, as you can see, the body is straight. It's got an emergency side door. Look at the rear tires, they look great too. The motor is a Caterpillar 3126. It's been running for over half an hour at idle. Runs and drives. I noticed that the AC compressor is missing the belt. The belts are missing. And one spins, the other one's locked. So that one must be the bad one here. But the motor sounds great. No smoking. No leaks. Visible at least. Not right now, I don't see any leaks. But the body is straight. It's got tinted windows. The glass looks good. The body is straight. Let me show you the inside. The door looks good. The steps, the floor mat looks good. It's dirty and mildy inside. It needs to be cleaned. Got a front AC unit and a rear AC unit. It's obvious it's not working because it's missing the belt on the compressors, but it is blowing air. One of the thermostat, the controller is lit up. The other one is not. It's got 66,000 original miles. It's automatic. Let me walk you through. It's got all the seat belts in each seat. Like I said, it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. Maybe you can pressure wash it in here. That'll be the best way, I guess. All right, here's your rear AC unit. It's not on. It's not turning on. So, and the belt is off the pulley, so we know the ACs are not working right now. But the ceiling looks good. The floor looks good. The seats, I don't see any rips or tears. I just see a lot of mildew and dirty. But other than that, they look pretty good. All right, let me rev it up for you. Motor sounds really good. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Let me go outside. Good luck.